sets of the pattern. To see the heart pattern, please go to my 1920s tutorial and you'll see how to do the pattern there. So you cut 2 sets of the pattern, one for the inside and one for the outside. And so from here to here, and make sure it is facing the inside. The right side of the pattern is always facing in. When you're finished sewing the sides, you turn one over to the right side and we're going to tuck it within that. When you've tucked it in, right sides together, you pin the sides for easier sewing and then leave this side open so you'll be able to turn it over and complete sewing the edges together. I do suggest ironing it down to keep it firmer, and you can even do a stitch, a top stitch on the edge to make sure it's down. Fold the back edge up and iron down. I am just eyeballing the size that I want it to be, and then fold the front and iron down. You're going to have to glue the end here or put a clasp to make sure it stays together.